you're experiencing an installation loop with EA FC25, this guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Follow these steps to get your game installed properly. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure that your computer meets the minimum system requirements for EA FC25. This includes checking your operating system, processor, RAM, and graphics card specifications. Step 2. Clear temporary files. Delete temporary files that may be causing conflicts during installation. You can do this by typing disk cleanup in the Windows search bar, selecting your main drive, and checking the boxes for temporary files before clicking OK. Step 3. Disable antivirus software. Sometimes antivirus programs can interfere with game installations. Temporarily disable your antivirus software and firewall, then try to install the game again. Remember to re-enable your security software afterward. Step 4. Run as administrator. Right-click on the EA FC25 installation file and select Run as Administrator. This can help bypass any permission issues that may be causing the installation loop. Step 5. Reinstall EA app. If the problem persists, consider uninstalling and reinstalling the EA app. This can resolve any corrupted files or settings that might be affecting the installation process. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the installation loop issue with EA FC25. If problems continue, consider reaching out to EA support for further assistance.